Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-kept classic with just 90,000 original miles. Finished in blue inside and out, it comes equipped with a V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This two-wheel drive pickup offers both heat and air conditioning, making it comfortable year-round. It sits on quality aftermarket wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires, which complement its solid exterior presence. Inside, the blue interior remains in good condition, while the exterior shows only minor imperfections. The truck has some rust in the cab corners but is otherwise completely solid, with no rust anywhere else. A few light hail dings are visible, yet overall, it still presents very well.
Number 2.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,996. This truck is a clean and dependable pickup with 175,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a smooth and reliable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs on gasoline and is built to handle both daily driving and light work with ease. The truck sports a classic blue exterior that pairs well with its well-preserved gray interior. Inside, the cabin is in very nice condition, featuring a crack-free dash and seats that have been well cared for over the years. Comfort is enhanced with cold air conditioning, while the exterior rides on a solid set of wheels and tires that add to both its look and performance. With a clean title and a history of good care, this Sierra stands as a great example of a practical yet classic GMC pickup ready to be enjoyed and driven anywhere.
Number 3.
1977 GMC 1500, price $8,950, showing just 100,000 miles. It's powered by a small block Chevy engine equipped with a cam, headers, and true dual exhaust. The setup includes a Holley 750 double pumper carburetor, which has recently been rebuilt, paired with a turbo 350 transmission and a 2400 stall converter. The truck has been lowered and features a center console shifter along with a nice cowl hood, giving it an aggressive stance. Both the factory speedometer and fuel gauge are in working order, and additional aftermarket gauges have also been installed and function properly. Despite the paint not being in perfect condition, the body remains very straight with minimal rust and no major holes or weak spots. The doors and hood open and close as they should, and all of the lights work properly. Mechanically, the truck runs, drives, and shifts great with no oil leaks and no smoke. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 5.7L V8 engine. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has been very well cared for. Locally owned, it has just received a brand new set of tires, mounted less than 40 miles ago, along with several recently replaced front-end components. As a result, it drives smoothly with very tight steering. The interior is in excellent condition, nearly flawless, with no cracks in the dashboard or significant signs of wear. On the outside, the paint remains in great shape for its age, with only a few minor dings.
Everything functions as it should, including ice-cold air conditioning and strong heating. Mechanically, the truck has no issues and is ready to be driven anywhere. Number 5.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, equipped with a strong 350 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, 2WD, and an 8-foot bed. With 206,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck starts easily, has good brakes and tires, and remains a dependable daily driver. While the shocks are a bit worn and the blower motor recently quit, the air conditioning still blows cold and the heat works properly. The driver's window clip will need replacement to connect it back to the power window motor, though the window can still be lowered by hand. Much work has already been done to the motor, making this an excellent candidate for restoration. It's clear that this truck has been cared for, and although it could use an oil change and a few minor fixes, it runs amazing overall.
Number 6.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, shows 207,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a green exterior with a tan interior. It runs and drives great, with everything working as it should, and is reliable enough for weekend drives or long trips. In the past 3 years, it has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new brakes with slotted rotors, intake gaskets, fuel injectors, plugs, wires, distributor, water pump, alternator, fuel system components, long tube headers, a 3-inch exhaust with off-road Y-pipe, Black Widow muffler, Flowmaster tips, a new battery, and a 1-inch throttle body spacer. The tires are in excellent shape with about 79% tread remaining, making this Chevrolet 1500 a dependable and well-maintained truck that's ready to hit the road.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,800. It has traveled 160,000 miles and is powered by gasoline paired with an automatic transmission. It comes finished in a classic white exterior with a comfortable tan interior, giving it both a work-ready appearance and everyday usability.
The truck runs and drives excellently, showing the strength and durability that the Silverado lineup is known for.
Both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, making it comfortable to drive in any season.
Its tires remain in great shape, providing confidence and reliability on the road.
With a clean Texas title in hand, the Silverado 3500 stands out as a solid choice for anyone in need of a capable and trustworthy heavy-duty pickup.
Number 8.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. This truck is a solid classic pickup that has been well cared for over the years. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing 190,000 miles on the odometer. The exterior is finished in white and sits on a fresh set of rally wheels that have recently been painted, wrapped in brand new tires for a confident ride. Inside, the truck features a red interior that has been very well preserved, with no rips in the seats and no cracks on the dash, an uncommon find for a truck of this age. With a total of 195,000 miles, this Chevy still runs strong and presents itself as both a reliable driver and a clean example of a classic American workhorse.
Number 9.
1968 Chevrolet C20, price $8,900. It has covered 96,000 miles. It comes finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean black interior, paired with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine mated to a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck runs, drives, and rides very well, thanks to recent maintenance that includes brand new shocks, wheels, and tires. It also features power steering and power brakes, making it easier to handle compared to many trucks of its era. While it's mechanically sound, a few items are not currently functioning, including the heat and air conditioning, the horn, and the radio. Even so, this gasoline-powered C20 presents itself as a dependable driver with plenty of charm and classic appeal.
Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600, finished in blue both inside and out. It runs on gasoline and features the reliable 5.0 engine paired with an automatic setup. The truck has been well cared for, with significant recent maintenance and upgrades. It received new upper and lower ball joints, control arm bushings, and idler arm, as well as fresh brake calipers and lines. The 4WD system benefits from brand new actuators, while all hoses and fluids have been replaced. At the rear, it has new spider gears and seals, along with new brakes and wheel cylinders to ensure strong stopping power. Other improvements include a new battery box, updated exhaust system, and a fresh set of tires. To preserve its character, the body has been clear-coated, highlighting its patina while protecting the metal underneath.